Alright, welcome back everybody. Got a bonus video for you today. We're going to do a review of the SafePal cryptocurrency hardware wallet. So basically, the fine people over at SafePal, they contacted me and they said, hey, Aaron, I know you use a ledger, I know you like ledger, but we think that our product, SafePal, is just as good, if not better, than the Ledger Nano X or S. Would you check it out? Could we sponsor a video? Would you review it? And I said yes, yes, yes. So in today's video, we're going to unbox and review SafePal's new cold storage wallet. Just like with anything, guys, use this video as a starting off point. And no matter what wallet you choose, remember, storing your crypto on a cold storage hardware wallet, it's much safer than on an exchange or even on a hot wallet. I mean, you invest in cryptocurrency, you want those life-changing gains. Well, treat your crypto as such. If you expect your cryptocurrency to be worth a lot of money in the future, you need to protect it. Let's get into it. So when you take a look at both of these boxes side by side, you see they're pretty similar. You see the Ledger box is a little bit longer, SafePal box is a little bit more square. Let's open it up and take a look. So right away, I noticed that they both look pretty sleek. The Ledger, it's a little bit smaller. It's more like a flash drive. The SafePal, it's a little bit more like an iPod, kind of looks like. SafePal comes with the screen and controls right on the front. With the Ledger, you have to slide it open. You're pretty familiar with the Ledger, I bet. Beauty. What a beauty. Looks good, feels good. So each device comes with the accoutrements, it has the cable and such. Okay, let's see what we got. We got some stickers. It's pretty cool. Looks like a cleaning cloth. Cards to write down your seed words. Quick start instructions. There's the back of the cards. Mnemonic phrases and such. Okay, let's take a look at these instructions. Looks good. Easy to understand. Structure, buttons, what to expect, how to use. Tips to keep your assets secure. Yes, that's good. Okay, now let's take a look at the Ledger. We have the cable, some keychains. Let me try and get this thing open. And let's see. A lot of the same stuff. How to get started. We have the recovery sheet where you write down your words, your seed phrases. Kind of the same thing, you know, every good cold storage device should come with certain things standard. Alright, let's plug this baby in. Okay, it's plugged in. SafePal. Let's click English. Okay, let's go over the buttons. Up, down, left, right. We get the picture. Very straightforward, very easy to understand. Okay, welcome to SafePal. It will take you a few steps to configure your wallet. Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Do I want to recover a wallet or do I want to create a new wallet? Create a new wallet. Are you ready to write down your mnemonic seed words? Right, so obviously I'm not going to show you my seed words, but you connect it to, this is what the app looks like in the App Store. We'll just go through a couple screenshots. I can't record and set it up on my phone at the same time since I record on my phone, but some of these are stock photos, but this is what it looks like. It's pretty straightforward, pretty user-friendly. I liked the interface. I thought it was good. My overall thoughts compared to the Ledger is that it's pretty similar. I mean, if you like the Ledger, you'd probably like SafePal. User interface, A+. Ease of use, A+. Security, I was able to transfer a small amount of Bitcoin onto it, and it seems secure. It seems to be like a good wallet. I would use it. Alright, let's finish this video up. I'm going to show you some cool things on their website. Links are in the description. Do your own research. Go ahead and visit their website down in the description, and you know, that's where you start and you check it out and you see, do I want to buy this? Am I in the market for a cold storage hardware wallet? And if you are, well, they're very proud of the product that they put out. They want to be competitive with Ledger and Trezor, and they have built and marketed their product as such. You can see that in a lot of these categories, they match either Ledger or Trezor. And some of these things are different. For instance, communication, SafePal uses an encrypted QR code, Ledger uses a USB. As I said, the user display is something that I liked. Ledger uses the single color display, while SafePal uses not a single color display. I'm not sure what 1.3 IPS screen means, but it did look good. Also, here's the thing, I understand if you only have a few $100s, or if you say, well, I don't want to spend a lot of money on a hardware device. Investing in Bitcoin is already costing me enough. Well, they have set their price very competitively. Their price is $39 as opposed to $70 or $80 or $90. And that's pretty good. They're trying to be very competitive. And a few other things that I wanted to show you on their site. You can always go to their support section. They'll give you tips for beginners, frequently asked questions, crypto wiki, token management. All these resources are at your disposal, including popular articles. What do I do if I forget my PIN code? How do I use my mnemonic phrases safely? All this stuff. They're trying to make it very user-friendly for you. You can download the SafePal app right from their site. This is where you go if you wanted to upgrade the firmware. Right now we are up to date, and they also have their About section and Support section and Social Media section. Check this stuff out. Let's click over to their social media right now. All right, let me know what you think in the description. I enjoyed reviewing SafePal's wallet. If you enjoyed videos like this, or if you have any questions or comments or concerns on the SafePal wallet, let us know underneath. And yeah, if you've used the SafePal wallet before, let us know your experience with it. And yeah, check it out. Links are in the description. See you tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed the bonus video.